Okay, what I have today is a 1998 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. It's four-wheel drive and it is rust-free. Rust-free as rust-free can get. It's got a lot of little hail dings on the hood and on the roof. Runs very good, drives on my lot. Not a bad looking Jeep. With a little bit of love and some maintenance, this will make a pretty good Jeep here. Interior's not that bad. It's showing 161,000 miles. It's got the 242 transfer case. It's got a saggy headliner. Very clean engine compartment. Fluids all looked clean. You see the hail dings. It's got a cracked windshield. So if you're interested, 98 Grand Cherokee, rust-free, runs and lot drives, good project Jeep. Send us an email, give us a call. No, we don't take payments. No, we don't do trades. No, you can't test drive it. It runs and lot drives. You can drive it on your trailer. Thanks for watching.